Hello friends, a very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. Welcome you all to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on scanners and screeners. And this video, I'm just going to discuss about a scanner. One of my premium group member who shared about the scanner. So it looks like working good and but in real time that was not working good. So I'm going to discuss about the scanner in this video. Okay, so why it is not working well? So because of the scanner's conditions, I will be pasting the link of the scanner. So this is what a scanner link where I want to discuss here. So this condition where we have to find all the parameter will meet on any stocks that would be available in this list. And let me try with the futures group. So that means future stocks. So we have almost many stocks which we got it on this list. Volume. So you can see almost 20 stocks in this list. Just a moment. One day ago high. Volume previously. So I'm using a Nifty 50 instead of that future. I'll be using because he's trying to do this with the Nifty 50. So only three stocks, Hero Motors, Sunpharma and Mahindra. Today, so if you are looking at the Hero Motor Corp, that was looking very good, and Sun Pharma, that is also looking very good, and it was started a very good movement, and Mahindra. So why the scanner after end of the day it was perfect, and in a real time you can't able to make the scanner. So because of this condition, so you to understand the condition. So the first condition is that closing of today, it should be about to the previous day. For example, previous day, one day ago high. So we are making in this particular condition, the first condition is yesterday's high, that is previous day high. So that is what the first point. So the stock must be closed. I'm just taken out of 15 minutes. That would be satisfying the previous day high close. The first condition will meet on this particular stock. Okay. And the second condition, the volume greater than the daily, that is today's volume, that would be greater than the SMA volume 10 into number 1.5. So 1.5 times higher volume today should be compared to the previous day 10 SMA volume. So just roughly we will calculate. So I'm just using volume factor instead of 10 or 20, whatever we can. So let me try for this, and the daily volume of yesterday is somewhere around uh, near about 2.95 million. Okay. So, but today we are using any point of the time that volume which crossed. For example, in the first candle, the volume is 1,16,000, and another second candle, third candle. So, what this condition is tells us here, it isn't about SMA 10 volume. Okay. So, I'm just comparing with the daily volume. So, simply we can remove. So, to make you understand with the charts. Okay, let me try to remove this filter and greater than remove on right. So one day ago volume. So let me have a simple condition should be greater than, it maybe not came into the scanner, greater than volume one day ago. So maybe it will not came the stock if I are adding this condition. Then the stocks are removed. I think which one we are seeing as a M&M would be there here, that would be not available here, where you can see there is a lot of different stocks scheme here. The M&M is not available because comparatively on the daily volume, so one day ago volume is almost 2.95. Here today's volume is 2.87827. So that is why that was not available. Maybe if you are looking at an Euro Motor account, so yesterday's volume somewhere and it is crossed to today. So let me try with the daily time frame. Yesterday's volume is 293, and today's volume is huge, almost 1.7 million, and yesterday is about 293k. So if I'm just making it in a 15 minutes time frame, so let me look at this. The total first candle volume is 63, second candle volume is 48k, and 63, 48. and the third one. So before that, we will check the daily volume of previous day, 293.6 or 293K. So the volume is 293K by yesterday, and we are using any time frame, 15 minutes something. So first candle is 63 and 48, maybe 100, 125, 155, and maybe that would be reaching your 265, or maybe we can use a 1 hour chart. Sorry, 1 hour chart it will be. What would be the first candle? 170, 352. Maybe in a second 1 hour, or we will be using 30-minute chart. So first candle is 112, 57, and 184. So at this candle close only around exactly 10:15 to 10:45 only, you will be getting the volume confirmation compared to the previous day. It is greater than, okay. So, but the stock will be showing at beginning, it's end of the day it show. But in the real time, the volume filter which is happening here at this point of 10:45 or 10:45. Okay. But the previous day high above close is satisfied in the first candle. Okay. So the second condition will be around 10:45 candle, and remaining conditions you to check here, the daily close greater than the daily open. If the stock isn't red by, maybe if it is trading below to the open price, that would be not available. But end of the day, if it is reaches to that top level, that stock would be available on the scanner. Okay, so that is also one more condition you to identify. In the daily volume, greater than number 50,000. That may be possible in the first candle itself. So here the volume is 63K. So we used 5 lakh na. So that would be reached and daily close. So this is the reason by using this particular scanner, you can't able to get the stock when it exactly meets. Maybe all the condition will meet at a particular time. So it may be at the highest level or maybe at the market end. So before creating a scanners, you should be very careful about while creating condition. This is what the condition 1 and condition 2. These are all the normal conditions. This is a green candle, and we are fixing the volume is about a number, not comparing with the previous day. So if you are comparing with the previous day volume, so this should be the EOD scanner, not for intraday. But where you can use 5 minutes or 15 minutes. If you are comparing with the daily volumes, that would not be a intraday scanner. This would be a EOD scanner. So how we can use it? So this is happening in the stock. Maybe we track those stocks for tomorrow. For example, what would be the yesterday stocks? So 14.7. Maybe this stocks we can track for today. So 14.7 Sunpharma is there, SBI is there, Eternal, and ONGC. These are all happening on 14.7 by filtering out with this condition and taken out from the backlist. So from this particular stocks, you may be finding an opportunity today. So one before one day we find the stocks now. So same like that. For an example, ONGC. So now you can plan in the stock because it is satisfying all the condition by yesterday. So this is a ONGC. Today it started with higher level. So maybe yesterday high break or any other indicator which you can plan with this, and you can find it out opportunity because it was having a good volume and compared to the previous day, and also closing as a positive. So something like that you can use it. And the second one is Sun Pharma. Maybe today this was working good comparing yesterday's a good volume, and today it is initially started higher and 2 or 3 candles is moved lower, and then again it recovered back. Maybe here you may find out or any other indicator or any other methods you to use it. And SBI Life is a one more stock which yesterday is having good and meeting the condition, but today it started, and after starting it was moving lower. Okay, and ETRN, and that was not moving good, I think. Yeah, so I think it initially it was moves yesterday it moves gains good volume, and today it started a big red candle and it just started moving. So maybe after finding those stocks on the end of the day, may you can use it. That is the reason it was showing you the stocks after moving or after crossing the levels, because all the conditions may not be satisfied at the same time. So that is what the issue which is happening here. So how we can fix this? We can fix this kind of scanners into fixed candle. So equal to first candle will meet this condition, and first candle the volume is greater than. So for an example, I will be making so different scanner here. For example, let me, I don't write this because this is not about my condition. Okay, so let me add some different with the same logic. I try for. So for example, 15 minutes. Sorry, the close of that first to 15 minutes itself. Okay, 15 minutes. So you should use a equality candle. That's the first candle. Greater than mm, high of 1 day ago. This will not be changed. Okay, because previous day high is entirely different. That is a fixed value. So 1 day ago. Let me go for 1 day ago. So this will first candle itself. It is closing about to the previous high. So maybe Euro Motor, Bajaj Auto, lot of stocks will be there. Almost eight stocks. So this may be an opportunity where you can check for breakout. Let me go for a Titan. So high after that first 15 minutes breakout also maybe. So 15 the first about with the previous candle, but in this case it doesn't break the level and instead of that it moves long. And another stock is Hero Motocorp Bajaj Auto. Yeah, first candle it is closed about to the previous day and after this breakout, so maybe you can use for a range bound ORB for first 15 minutes like that. Okay, that is the first condition and daily volume that would be comparing to the daily volume. So it may not be possible in intraday time. It can be achieved in the first candle. Let leave it. Okay, so that condition will again repeat kind of stocks, but you can use this condition. Okay, this one. So simply you can use because we are fixing the number. Here I'm just going to use a 15 minutes first candle volume. So maybe this much of volume is happen or not. I don't know. If you are using only Sunfarm, so maybe instead of that I can go with the this kind of things. Maybe some stocks. I hope you understood. So the first candle itself, the huge volume which is happening here in Sun Pharma, that may be an opportunity. We are fixing that in the first candle itself, huge volume, but high break, then there is a continuation. But in this case, it doesn't break. But after the breakout, that was a good move. And in the Sun Bank having a good volume in the first 15 minutes. That is not about the number of volume. The first candle. So volume is very big. After two candles, there is volume and this another sudden movement. So this will help you to find out how much volume should happen. So this kind of condition is about daily close is greater than, that means a green candle, and number of stocks is 15. So this may not be a change. Whatever the stock will stay here in the list. For an example, let me go with the 5,000 5 lakh and only one stock. And let's see the back test. Okay, so I think today Sun Pharma. Okay. Previous day we have two stocks, Axis Bank and Coal India. This never ever changed because the condition is fixed. Yesterday was about Axis Bank, whether it is moved higher or lower, and it will be stays on the same level. So huge 14th, huge big candle. So that is why it's showing you that a huge volume and Coal India, right? Here I'm just fetching the volume. So you, what you understood that what there is a issue for that daily base and this fixed one. So most of the scanners are like to be a fixed one. So we are using mostly a custom indicator. This is for study basis. I just taken out this one of my student. So what you are going to get it on my premium Telegram group. So many scanners are available. So I am using the starting scanners from 2017. So I have created lot of scanners and that was helping me to find out good opportunities with that particular charting scanner. So here, so a lot of scanners are there in that premium Telegram group. So that direct links of the scanners, you can directly access the scanners which you are created. So here something like recently we updated the inside bar happening at 30 candles high and 30 bars low. So if you are clicking this, and it will be run the scan and it will be showing you what are the stocks which meet that condition. For example, TCS that is happening inside bar on 30 days low. So on daily time frame, so it's an exact inside bar after the downtrend. Maybe here we can find it for a trend reversal. It's an inside bar. So I'm not talking about it as a bullish reversal. Maybe an inside bar, you know well what we can do with an inside bar. So here. So maybe it can continue the trend or it can be reversed from reverse its trend also. So such a kind of things we created with the custom based and a lot of things. And if you want to find it out with the, so for example, BTST, so you can search it here and you will be finding out if the scanner is available. So let me randomly check, then click that and any stocks, maybe BTST. Yesterday we have a loop in granulars and these are all the stocks based on that particular scanner. So Lupin, Granulars, let me check. It's a daily based EOD scanner. Lupin. So yesterday closing compared to the today and more than 1.2%. Granulars, that is also be slightly higher compared to the previous. So this is about a BTST. Yesterday we buy, next day we sell, like that. Na? So you can check what are the scanners that are available here, and maybe intraday many things is there. You can search it as per intraday. So we have some special intraday scanners for how it is about Bollinger Band with the ATR, what it says, what the conditions which I already created is a 15 minutes Bollinger Band ATR based concepts, very few number of stocks. I think I am providing the videos also how to use it most of the scanners, but very old scanners we don't have videos. But after I created a new scanners that have its own videos also, where the link of the videos would be available. And this is what a breakout swing scanner, a kind of a breakout. So maybe a higher level. So recently we have 4th July Dabur. It's a daily scanner. Then you can also 4th July, maybe this high, recent swing high, that is swing breakout. So where you can check this is the high breakout, and this is the day where it is broken, and after that that is moving higher. So these are all the things which is available in Telegram group. So if you want to get more details about the Telegram group, just ping me a WhatsApp here, the number which mentioned, and you will be getting more detail about how to join that premium group, and you can access lifetime the scanners too. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.